should have probably worn my gloves. This isn't easy.
I don't think it's ready.
What was I supposed to do next? Alright, today it's my wife's birthday, so I'm going to try to make the Korean traditional birthday soup. It's called seaweed soup. I'm going to try it. I'm really not good at cooking. I looked at a YouTube video literally 5 minutes ago. All the cookings that I've done in my life is just ramen. And that's it during my college years. I'm going to try to do it. I don't know how it's going to turn out. So this is, picked it up at a mart, Korean mart. Beef flank steak. Apparently it's for soups. I don't know. I'm going to see how much I need. This should be good enough. I'm probably supposed to be wearing gloves, but it's okay. Whatever. I'm going to wash my hands anyways. I already washed my hands. I'm going to wash it again after this. The meat is really cold. I should have probably worn my gloves. Whatever. This isn't easy as I thought. It's sticking on my... Oh, it feels so weird. Do you think this is good? I don't know. I'll just use it. Bigger to meat, more chewing to do. I think that's good because I like to chew my meat. Think this is good enough. Do you want more meat? I'm asking my wife. She's right next to me filming it. She's shaking her head every time I do something wrong. But it's okay. Alright, I washed my hands. Now I'm going to use this chopstick. I am Korean. I know how to use my chopsticks. Okay, so what I'm doing right now, this is premium sesame oil. Supposedly, it smells really almost like sweet. It's one of those Korean traditional oils they use to make the meat taste better. Hold on, I think I'm supposed to heat it up a little more. While I'm doing that, my introduction was a little late. My name's Paul. I'm Emily's husband. We are married about almost 6 months in. Congratulations to ourselves. Okay, I think it's good. I'm gonna turn the heat to medium power heat. Put some meat in there. Oh yeah, sounds like meat cooking. Alright, I'm going to put this on low heat. What I'm going to do, you're supposed to, so what I bought here is, this is a seaweed. They're already chopped up. They were literally this small when I bought it. But you have to put it in water and let it, eat up the water and gets this big. So I'm going to have to squeeze the water out. Give me a second. Oh shoot, getting all over the place. Oh. Okay, so the seaweed are all, I squeezed out the water.
A few moments later.
I don't think it's ready because all the red part is supposed to go away.
I do speak Korean. It's just my English. I prefer to speak English. But my wife only speaks Korean. She does speak English, but she prefers Korean. And I prefer English. So I guess we're an international couple, although we're both Koreans. Okay, now I'm going to put the seaweed in here. And then, cook them together. Like I don't know, what do you call this? Frying? There's so much seaweed. I think I need more meat. You barely see any meat anymore. I never made it, so I don't know what the ratio is supposed to be. So, whatever. What was I supposed to do next? So I think it's about ready. So we're gonna pour the water in. I don't know exactly how much water it should have it, but I'm gonna leave it to my instincts. I think this is good enough. What I'm gonna put is soy sauce, but it's made for, I bought it in the Korean market again. It's a soy sauce, but it's for soups. I don't know what the difference is, but it says it's made for soup, so I guess it's for soup.
소주 안 필요해?
I do. It's fine. I'll just do it. Whatever. And voila, it's done.
Really?
Let it boil for a bit, and then I'm gonna let Emily try how she likes it.
Okay.
2,000 years later.
Ta-da! So here it is. After about 20 minutes of boiling, it is done. With some kimchi. How is it?
안 질기고 맛있어.
Good? All right. Mission accomplished. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to my wife. Happy birthday to you. Woo!